In a peaceful and green village, life moved slowly and simply. People knew each other by name, and every day began with the sound of roosters crowing, children laughing, and women drawing water from the well. But for the past few weeks, something strange had disturbed the calm of the village. Chickens were going missing. One or two chickens would disappear during the night without a sound or trace. At first, people blamed wild animals, perhaps a fox or a stray dog. But strangely, there were no footprints, no feathers, no signs of struggle, just an empty coop and a confused chicken owner. The matter became serious when the village's respected elder, Bubba Camel, lost his prized hen, Ronnie. She was not an ordinary hen. She had won the egg-laying contest 3 years in a row. Bubba Camel cried when he discovered she was gone. This is not an animal, it is a human. A chicken thief. Everyone was shocked. A thief in their peaceful village. People began locking their coops. Some added bells to the doors. But the chickens kept disappearing silently night after night. In that same village lived a 12-year-old boy named Imran. He dreamed of becoming a detective. When he heard about the chicken thief, he became excited. At last, he had a real mystery to solve. I will catch the thief. That night, Imran, dressed in an old rooster costume, took his father's camera and hid inside an empty chicken coop. He waited in complete silence for hours. Around midnight, he heard soft footsteps. The door creaked open. A small figure entered and reached for a hen. Click. Imran snapped a photo with the camera's flash. The thief screamed and tried to run, but Imran jumped and caught the figure outside the coop. The noise woke the villagers, and they came running with lanterns and sticks. To everyone's surprise, the thief was a young girl. It was Noor, the orphan girl who lived with her cruel uncle. She was trembling, holding the chicken tightly. The villagers looked at her with confusion and anger. Why are you stealing chickens? Tears rolled down Noor's cheeks. In a soft voice, he explained everything. Her uncle barely gave her and her little brother food. Most nights, they went to bed hungry. One day, she found a chicken near her house and took it. Then another. She cooked them and fed her brother. I was hungry. I did not know what else to do. Silence fell over the crowd. Bubba Camel stepped forward and gently said, "You should have told us. No child should go hungry here." Then the village elder Haji Karim spoke. This is not just about chickens. It is about who we are. If our children are starving while we protect our hens, then we have failed as a community. Everyone lowered their heads. From that day, everything changed. Bubba Camel took Noor into his home. The villagers helped her younger brother start school. People began checking on one another more often, sharing food and offering support. They made sure no child ever went hungry again. Noor grew up happy and healthy. She became the best cook in the village and later opened a small restaurant called The Honest Hen. And Imran, he became a local hero not only for solving the case, but for helping unite the village through kindness and care. The chicken thief turned out to be a reminder of something greater: the power of compassion.